500 important English sentences. I need to go to the bank. He's trying to fix the car. She is reading the newspaper. I'm going to buy a new phone. They are discussing the problem. I need to do some laundry. Thank you for like and subscribe us. He is going to the airport. She is painting the walls. I'm thinking of moving to a new city. They are making a decision soon. I need to renew my passport. He is working on his presentation. She is studying abroad next year. I'm planning a trip to Europe. They are doing their homework. I need to buy some new clothes. He is organizing a meeting. She is taking a cooking class. I'm going to the grocery store. They are preparing for the exam. I've been working on his project for weeks. The weather has been unusually warm lately. I'm considering applying for that job. The presentation was both informative and engaging. I'm not entirely convinced by his argument. She has a talent for solving complex problems. I'm aware of the challenges ahead. He's been struggling to make ends meet. The economy is slowly recovering from the recession. I'm planning to take some time off work. She's been promoted to a senior position. I'm really impressed with your work. The book offers a unique perspective on the issue. He's been acting strangely lately. The company is expanding its operations overseas. I've been meaning to talk to you about this. She's developed a new strategy for the project. I'm having second thoughts about this decision. The team has been working around the clock. He's considering moving to a different city. The negotiations have reached a critical point. I'm not sure how to proceed with this. I'm concerned about the long-term effects of this policy. The company has been performing well despite the challenges. He's been trying to quit smoking for years. The report highlights the key findings of the study. I'm looking forward to the upcoming conference. She's been dealing with a lot of stress lately. The project is nearing completion.